Alright, one of the fun things about my job is I get to make cool things. On today's list is a clear cover for a DC Audio 90.4 4-channel amp. So I get to design it, I get to draw it, I get to cut it on the laser, and I get to show you the guts. But where am I going to find a DC Audio 90.4 at? Lucky for the person that ordered this, I have one over here. So he did not have to send me his back plate. The only downside is that I'm going to have to unscrew it and disconnect it out of this trunk. All the wires already ran, so that sucks, but it's okay. It'll be worth it. It's going to look good. Take a look at this thing. Man, that circuit board looks way too nice to be hiding behind a metal plate. So we're going to go ahead and get up on the computer. We're going to measure this thing out, and we're going to do an acrylic cover for the back. We'll put some vents in it, and I believe he wants his name or something put in or a logo. We'll do that too. Watch how this thing turns out. We got V-carb up on the screen. We got the caliper. We got the back cover. All I gotta do is start drawing, and we'll be ready to send it over to the laser and get this thing out the door. Alright, so here's his logo right here in the middle. Got the little SMDN off the bottom, but I always hit the stuff from the other side so you can't touch it or feel it. You just see it. So we're going to take this, we're going to reverse it. Actually, we're going to mirror image it the other direction. So something like this. That'll work. do it. I'm gonna send it straight to the laser. Look at that. I had the speed turned up too. Damn. What y'all know about that? Little tester. Looks perfect. Screw holes are in the perfect spot. Everything's good. Just gotta draw up his little logo, put my SMD stamp on this thing, and then cut it. We're ready to go. All right, this thing came out perfect. I can't believe how fast it cut that cardboard. I've never cut anything that fast before since I've owned it. But it's good to know though. Quick little wipe. Oh, look at that. That's it, really. Come out good. So we'll go dry this off with a little microfiber, and then I'll peel the paper off the back, and it'll be good to go, I think. Yeah, look at that. Well, I'm getting my handprints all over it. I'll have to wipe it down again. You see that? Oh yeah, and if he hits this with some LEDs, it's gonna glow like crazy on that logo. Matter of fact, for my YouTube channel, before I send it to him, I will light it up just to show him, just to show you guys what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. EC Audio 90.4. Now let's go see if this thing fits. Makes it look a little bit better. There it is, just like that, done. I kept the SMD really small and in the bottom corner. Put a couple screws in here. Let's see how this stuff glows. Anthony, we go cut the lights off? Ooh, look at that. Wow. SMD at the bottom. Looks good. All right, Evan, I got that done for you. Anybody who wants one done like this, you can email us at wccaraudio@gmail.com. We'll figure out a price and we'll get you squared away. Thanks for watching.
I'm a star, you can see it, no flex. Flew off to the clouds like a jet. Till I'm done, I'ma stay on their neck. Let the culture, but I gotta chase checks. Stay solid, don't love no hoes. Why you invested, she tryna get dough. Why you hate, now move with that glow. Kill everything, it's all that I know. On one, home run hits. The base heads love that shit. Curry at the 3, I don't miss. Let the fans speak, need no list. These moves don't care about trust. Money can get your head bust. Same thing playing around with love. You can really lose your life over lust. I speak on the chest cause I need it. That's a family.